Artificial intelligence is not a fad. And how do we, as attorneys, learn to bring efficiencies to the practice of law with the help of artificial intelligence? We can provide so much more value. Those of us who embrace this will quickly overcome the competitors.
It's going to be such a big competitive advantage for the firms that get ahead of it. And so, what's the optimal way for them to do that? One is to go down the legal tech SaaS path. One is to go all in on a large language model solution where you bring it in-house and you make it compliant so you can upload client data. And then a third approach, working with a firm like Talbot West to architect a comprehensive plan. How do we integrate the firm? How do we make intelligence flow across workflows?
The best way to do it is to bring someone in smarter than you to implement it. I don't think law firms should spend a lot of time on individual solutions, a tool that just does one thing. What's important is, what are the tasks that everybody has to deal with? Give me the full list of 100 things that we need to get done during the day, and let's create an intelligence that will solve all of that.
Architecting what we call organizational or workflow intelligence. The point is to know what your options are and what the ROI is of going down different paths. And often the optimal path is some sort of a hybrid, but you've got to do the research to know.
And you need to be guided to find those paths and those variables.
And it's important when you're bringing in a partner like that, that they don't have vendor bias. From a very tech agnostic perspective, they can say, here's what makes the most sense for your firm. Here is a set of trade-offs optimized for this moment in time, and we expect in the future for that set of trade-offs to shift.
This is not a one and done. We are going to keep growing and progressing, and that also means the solution you just implemented will also keep developing and progressing. Being able to have that vision of what the real competitive advantage of the future is and how to implement that is what's really going to set you apart. We need to stop thinking about artificial intelligence as glorified software. Artificial intelligence should be thought as an actual intelligence that is running in the background.
The decoupling of functionality from interface. If you were to throw away the old paradigm of SaaS and this product and that product, this login, that login, you would have what we call invisible AI, which just means functionality needs to be what it needs to be, decoupled from the interface.
And imagine the things that we will be able to accomplish when we remove ourselves from that siloed way of thinking, and we will see wonders come out of this.